Hey, this week we're all about addition, and it is really important this week that you figure out ways to make adding fun. So I went through my game cabinet and I found some things that you can use to practice your addition in a fun way. So I found a few things. The first thing that I found were dominoes. You can use dominoes to practice your addition by having multiple dominoes lying face down like this, so you can't see how many dots they are. Choosing one and adding them together. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. Oh, here's my next one. Ooh, this one's kind of tricky. I might have to count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'd write 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 9 equals, I might have to count, 16. Okay, so then I can say, which one's greater, 2 or 16? And I know that 16 is greater. So if I'm playing with somebody, I might make the rules be something like, if whoever has the least amount when added together gets to keep both dominoes, or whoever has the most when they add their dots together gets to keep the dominoes. So you can play a game like that. The next thing that I found were dice. And if you even have one dice, you can play addition this way. My dice don't want to come out. There we go. So I have a dice, and I can do it with one dice. I can roll, and I can say, okay, 4, and then roll again, plus 4 equals, 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I can practice it that way. Or I can use 2 dice, and I can roll. So 2 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And you can keep track this way too. If you play it with a buddy, you can keep score. So I would score 7 that time. The time before I scored 8. And then you can say, okay, in 20 rolls, who's going to have the most? And so you can play it like that. So that's a fun way to practice your addition. If you have cards, you can also practice addition really easy. You can play add up numbers with face cards. You might have to go through and find if there's cards that have letters on them, put those out of the deck. Or if you only want to go with like numbers to 5, you can take out all of your upper numbers. But you can say, okay, choose me a card. So I'm going to choose this card. And one more. Choose another card. Oh, that one should be out of my deck. That's why I take him out. And this card. So I have 5 plus 9. So I can say, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. So I can do it that way. Or even if you have the game Uno, you can use some of their cards, because their cards also have numbers on them. So you can do the same thing, and you can just keep track of score, or you can say whoever adds up theirs to be the most, they get to keep their cards, or the least. You can play it different ways. But the important thing this week is to have fun while you're practicing your addition and use what you have. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.